Well, we love to see that, and we love to see future meteorologists at work too. In fact, I have a photo I'd like to show. This is from Miss Heidi Reich's classroom over in Pflugerville Middle School. We want to thank them because they watch us all the time, and they have daily weather forecasts that they put together and they present every single day. And they sent me this photo, and they're watching now, so we want to thank them so much. So today's forecast is going to be specifically for Mrs. Reich's classroom. And in case they're wondering what it's like outside right now, mostly clear outside. We have a few clouds that have been building up out towards the east of I-35, but they're starting to fall apart too. We're getting a bit more sunshine. Because of that, temperatures are going to start rising for them. They were in the 50s earlier. Now we're starting to see everyone rise into the 60s and even 70s farther out towards the hill country. Play this out for the rest of the day today. Really no cloud coverage whatsoever until early tomorrow morning. And at that point, we do anticipate a little bit of fog out there again, a bit more cloud coverage that'll move in, but we'll continue that partly cloudy trend throughout the day itself. And as we get out towards Wednesday going into Thursday, well, then we have a front that's going to come in. That front will arrive sometime within Thursday itself, looking more earlier than later now. But when the front does come in, we'll start to see a bit of clearing right behind it. So rain chances still there for tomorrow, about a 10% chance, but really what we're going to be watching is out towards Sunday, especially because of the Circuit of the Americas. NASCAR is the Circuit of the Americas. We could see rainfall really start to pick up, especially towards the evening hours on Sunday. So I don't expect that to affect any race times out there. 71 for Friday, 76 on Saturday, and by the time we get to Sunday, we're looking at about 74 degrees. I have a wider look here to see exactly what it'll look like on Saturday going into Sunday. This is our GFS model. We have various models, Mrs. Reich's class, in case you're wondering. We use our graph model, which is our in-house model, our GFS model, and our Euro model. This one is our GFS model, and this one actually keeping rain chances a little lower, but still there. Only about a 30% chance. As I mentioned, 10:30 p.m. is when this one says that we could see a few showers out there. Our graph model being a little more generous, but overall, we don't expect too much rain. We're looking at less than 1/10 of an inch of rain for a majority of the viewing area. Out towards the eastern counties, you could get between 1/10 of an inch and up to 1/4 of an inch of rainfall. All right, here's a look at your 7-day forecast over the next couple of days. We do have that front that'll come in on Thursday that'll drive our temperatures down. So big difference from Wednesday into Thursday, 76 to 69. By the time we get to Friday, 71. And for the weekend, we're looking at 76 and 74 degrees. By Monday, 76 before another front could arrive. So Mrs. Reich's class, I hope you're prepared. Rich, let's go and send it over to you.
All right, thank you. We start out with a look at current temperatures across the lower 48, and we've got some very mild air continuing at most all reporting stations. Coldest air is up in the Dakotas into eastern Montana, and it is there that we're finding a little winter precipitation too. Some snow coming through the eastern portion of Montana into Wyoming and then back into the Pacific Northwest, and we see also a mix of some freezing rain in that area shaded in pink, and then we've got mostly rain across the lower Great Lakes into New England. The rain that we saw over Florida yesterday has moved offshore. Major delays probable. Moderate to major delays possible now. They've relaxed that now to a minor potential for flight delays in Seattle. And that's about it as we get into the afternoon. Same thing, no widespread travel delays anywhere, but SeaTac may have some through the afternoon and evening. If you have a flight out there, you will definitely want to check with your air carrier. Avery?